How to fix number keys not working in Windows. Hey everybody and welcome back. If your number keys are not working on the Windows, the fix depends on which numbers do not work, so you can follow out this method for that. So first of all, we can turn off the mouse keys. For that, we can access our settings of our device and go to accessibility. And within accessibility, go ahead and find mouse, open it up, and turn off the mouse keys option. So we have mouse keys option here. Ensure this option is turned off here. Also within your settings itself, go ahead and look out for accessibility once again. And there go to keyboard. And within keyboard, turn off sticky keys, filter keys, and then the toggle keys. Just go over and turn it on. And apart from that, you can check your keyboard language also. Wrong keyboard layout can cause number issues. So press Windows plus space for that. And once you do, make sure it's set to English, US, or your correct layout. Or you can go to your settings, hit Windows plus I for that, and go to time and language. And within there, go to language and reason, and just go over and select up your keyboard here, and look out for date and time, and look out for language, and go ahead and set it up. Look out for language and reason, and go ahead and set it as English. Also update your keyboard driver. If nothing else works, you can go to your devices manager, press Windows plus X, go over to device manager, hit enter, and there just go over and expand the keyboards option. Expand it up, find your keyboard, right click on it, select update driver, and update your driver for your keyboard. You can search automatically for drivers, and then restart your PC once it is done. And if it's only working on certain keys or certain keys are not working, it could be dust under the keys, hardware damage, or external keyboard issue. So you can try another keyboard for that. But usually this is how you should be able to do it. You may follow this method for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.